Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this lesson, we'll be seeing a question relating to kinematics using calculus. The question says the distance in meters covered by a particle in motion at time t seconds is given by s is equals to 120 t minus t squared. We are to find in meters the distance covered by the body before coming to rest. Now, since we have the formula for the distance, s is equals to 120 t minus 16t squared. Now, all we need to find the distance covered by the body is to find t. But if you note this question, it tells us that the body was in motion and the body was going to come to rest. At rest, the velocity of this body is always 0. So v at rest will be equals to 0. And this same v we know is equals to the differential ds dt. So the first thing I want to find out is what is ds dt. We know that if y is equals to ax raised to power n, my dy dx is the same thing as a n x raised to power n minus 1. Now given this, I know that s now is equals to 120 t minus 16 t squared. So that my dx dt will be the same thing as 120. Now my n here is 1 into 1 t raised to power 1 minus 1 minus 16 into 2. My n in this other case is 2 into t raised to power 2 minus 1, which is equals to 120 t raised to power 0 minus 16 times 2, that's 32 t, which is equals to 120 minus 32 t. If the s dt is equals to 120 minus 32 t and the s dt, which is same thing as v, is equals to 0, then I can equate this to 0 so that my minus 32 t will be equals to minus 120. Minus cancels minus here, and 32t is equals to 120. Obviously, t now will be the same thing as 120 over 32. 4 in 32 is 8. 4 in 120 is 30. 2 here is 4. 2 here is 15. That's 15 over 4. That's the value of t in seconds. Now, but we have to solve for s. That's actually our goal. So I'll be putting t back into s here to solve for s. Now let's create space. So that substituting for t, s now will be equals to 120 into 15 over 4 minus 16 into 15 over 4 squared. So that this is equals to 120, that's 4 into 120, that's 30. That's 30 times 15. That's 15 by 30. That's 0, 5, 4. That's 4. That's 4, 15 minus. Now this is 15 over 4 squared. I can rewrite that as times 15 over 4 again. 4 times 4 is 16. It goes with this 16. So I'm left with 15 times 15, which is 225. Now, so that my distance s in meters will be equals to 450 minus 225. That's 450 minus 225. 5, I'll be left with 2. Then I'll be left with 2. That's another 225. So s is equals to 225 in meters. With this, I hope you understand how I went about finding the distance of this kinematics. Thank you for staying with us, and see you in our next class.